Well, it's Saturday the 18th and it's a very crisp morning. Pretty heavy frost here today. After all the storms, all the water's all frozen. So anyway, just going to get my wheelbarrow as I bought a few things from Homebase. So I've just been to Homebase and I bought these Grown Shore tomato grow packs, selling for £1 each, normally $3.95. So digging for dinner, Joe, he mentioned he bought some, and so I've gone along and bought some for my polytunnel and for my tomatoes. So here we have 11 packets at £1 a packet, so that's a real bargain. So that's going to go down on the right hand side here as an extra layer for my tomatoes. So now we're going to jump in the car and drive up to Surrey and do some work on the Surrey plot. But before I go, I'm going to show you a few Frosty pictures, so please enjoy. So this is a bit of a tease. 30 odd pallet collars sat on top of a container. There must be some allotments nearby here. So I've just down my plot in Surrey. Not been down there many times in January, it's been a bit too wet. But it's a nice day, the sun's going down. So I thought I'd have a quick look and see what's going on. Good place to watch in the planes just going on. I'll give you a little look. Coming along to my rhubarb, you can actually see bits of it popping out. That's the other one. It's hidden in a bit. Strawberries. These are the runners that I took off further down. As you can see, I left my spade there. I also left the fork over there. Anyway, this is my onions. Although, there's a few there. Here they are there. He's been moved about. And potatoes, still got potatoes in there. And coming back at this end, I got this random cabbage that's growing there. It's been there all winter. Still got a little line of beetroot. May even be some carrots there still. This is my biggest surprise, the runner beans. Board beans. Didn't actually think I had any. Thought they'd all been eaten. They've actually come out. That's one of the reasons I come down today. Rest of my plot is pretty much the same. Been trying to cut down on the grass, so I'm trying to go back in traditional ways of rows. So eventually I'm going to get rid of that grass and go back on rows. Unlike my Dorset plot, I want this one in rows, everybody else in rows, so I'm going to do this one in rows and see how I go. Although the board beans aren't. Still need to take potatoes out at the end there. And also, this is my pit as well, right up to the edge. I've had some new neighbours on this end. And they've also taken over this end, which is quite good. And I see got a mountain of stuff there. But this plot here next to mine is still pretty much a mess. Hopefully someone will come in here one day and move in. That'd be great. So I've only really come down for a walk around just to see what's going on. See how many other plots have been worked on. So that's what I'm doing today, just having a look, see if there's any damage from the storms. See what else people are planting. What a nice neat line. Walking along. When I moved here October before last, all of these plots were vacant. I could have taken any of these plots. And it's so good to see that many have been worked on now. Seems to be getting very popular now. Here's another 3 plots, and these were offered to me, and that would have been my shed in the middle there. That was one of the options. So we've actually tried to keep the weeds down, and I assume they are still open for offers. But it's good that they've actually kept down the weeds. So it looks a bit better. 5 minutes. Bit of achievement. Looking in my flower bed. Some of the daffodils coming up now. The pond's like still frozen. Not warmed up today. Anyway. And we had a manure delivery, and as it's Saturday, my neighbour said it probably will be gone by Monday, so I'm making an effort and taken some in my barrow and put some on my plot. So let's go. Don't know if you can see it, but the heat coming out of this pile. So today, clearing the path from the middle and maybe sort out the strawberries. Well, I'm definitely going no dig after this. Done all this now, just a little bit left to do. It's taken me all morning to do that. I am so close away. Just done all that pathway. Really pleased. The rain keeps threatening down. It's going to rain by 2 o'clock. So, shall I do this last bit? Yeah. Well, it's 2 o'clock and it's Saturday and the rain has started, as forecasted. So, did I finish? Yeah. What a great relief. So anyway, really pleased with that. You can see the steam coming off it. So anyway, that's another barrel load and it's just getting dark, so won't be here much more. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you've not subscribed, ring the bell and get notifications when I post some more. So thank you very much, time to go. Cheers.